Pastel de Choclo. Chilean corn and meat pie. A main dish from Chile.
Serves
You
2.
will need 15 ingredients. Step 1. Heat the grated corn, chopped basil, salt and butter in a large pot. Add the milk little by little, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. Step 2. Cook over low heat for 5 minutes. Leave to one side while you prepare the meat filling. Step 3. Fry the onions in oil until transparent, add the ground meat and stir to brown. Step 4. Season with salt, pepper and ground cumin. Step 5. To prepare the pie, use an oven-proof dish that you can take to the table. Step 6. Spread over the bottom of the dish the onion ground meat mixture. Arrange over this the hard-boiled egg slices, olives and raisins. Put the chicken pieces on top, bone the chicken if you like. Step 7. Cover the filling with the corn mixture. Sprinkle the confectioner's sugar on the top. Step 8. Bake in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 to 35 minutes until the crust is golden brown. Step 9. Serve at once. Eat with ensalada chilena. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.